don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
We are gathered here on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Kris and Becky. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. The ceremony is a public affirmation of the bond and as their dearest family and friends. It is our honor and privilege to stand witness to this event. This day is made possible not only because of the love for each other, but through the grace and support of family and friends. It is our hope that your fulfillment and joy in each other will increase with each passing year. Marriage is a commitment in life, where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunity for sharing, growth, and no other human relationship can equal. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime. Becky's brother John will now do a reading.
A reading from the book of Sirach. A loving partner is a safe shelter. Whoever finds one has found a rare treasure. A loving partner is something beyond price. There is no measuring their worth. A loving partner is a life-saving remedy, and those who respect their Lord find true love. For a person is, so is their loved one. The word of the Lord.
Kris and Becky, today you are not only marrying the right person, you also commit to being the right partner. The one with whom the other can stand and face the world. It's finally time to seal this chapter with questions that will lead us into the next chapter. Please hold hands. Kris, do you take Becky to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise to love?
He's super excited.
I got a little. Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Becky, do you take Kris to be your lawfully wedded husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him for as both as you both shall live?
I do.
You've both chosen to wear rings as a reminder of these promises. Okay. Kris, please place the ring on Becky's left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I join my life to yours.
With this ring, I join my life to yours.
Becky, place the ring on Kris's left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I join my life to yours.
With this ring, I join my life to yours.
In a further symbol of their bond and family unity, Kris, Becky, and Austin will now take part in a unifying ritual of symbolic tree planting. Becky's brother Joe will lead the unity.
Kris, Becky, and Austin, long before you had the pleasure of knowing each other, your families provided you with the foundation of love and support, which has made you the people we see before us. To honor your family and all they have given you, you each will start by adding soil from your family's homes. The love of their families has allowed Kris, Becky, and Austin to grow into the wonderful and unique people they are. This tree will continue to grow just as they create their life together. With constant nurturing and nourishment, this tree and your marriage will grow strong and resilient. It will weather the challenges of daily life and the passages of time. With your family supporting you today, you are starting with strong roots and will continue to grow.
And now, by the power invested in me by the state of Iowa and the American Marriage Ministries, I pronounce you husband and wife. Kris, you may now kiss your bride. present to you Mr. and Mrs. Kris Tunink.
Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. And let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, and time is running out of sight.
I've always looked up to Becky since I was a little girl. Being here today with her, being so happy with Kris is really an honor. We have a lot of memories together, most of when she hated me for stealing Barbies, Breyer horses, and her clothes. But I always remember wanting to be just like her. And for her to have found Kris, who is a blessing to her and Austin, they are both a very important part of my life, and I know Kris will always take care of them. So, Kris, welcome to the family. Thank you. Officially.
Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.